Good afternoon and welcome to another project with A Guy and His Projects. Today we are doing a super fast project. It's going to take longer for you to get through this intro than it will probably take to do the project. Super simple, and yet if you don't know how to do it, or you've never thought about doing it, or you've wondered how to fix a problem you have, this is the perfect video for you. And if you already know what you're doing and you're just entertained by me, I don't know why you would be, watch it as well. All we're doing is I replaced, and I didn't get it on film, I replaced the steering gearbox on this truck to help tighten up the steering. I also replaced the steering dampers, the drag link, center link, whichever it is, I forget the correct term for that bar, and the tie rod end that goes into the pitman arm on that steering box. Now I bought that pitman arm, or not the pitman arm, the thingy-majiggy, the tie rod end for the that goes to connects the pitman arm to the center link, drag link, whatever it is. The Zerk fitting, it will not screw in. I love Moog, whichever they are, I don't care. I call them Moog. I love Moog. I've never been disappointed in them. I know a lot of people say their quality has gone down. This is the first ever issue I've had, and it's not so much as an issue as a slight inconvenience because it happens. Not a big deal. But I'm going to show you how to fix that. It's super easy, super simple, and even cheap for, I think this cost me about $15 total. We have the tool that's going to do the job, and you don't even need this if you have another one. I got this at my local Tractor Supply, not sponsored. I don't know if you can make out that model number. But essentially, this is just a grease fitting repair kit is what it's called. It's for 1/4 inch Zerk fittings. It is part number L5960. It's a legacy part. And it's just going to tap the threads. Well, it's going to make it bigger because we need to make it bigger. It's going to tap the threads for us. And then we're going to put in, of course, a 1/4 inch grease Zerk fitting in place of the 1/8 inch that it came with, or whatever size. I'm guessing it's 1/8 inch. It's really tiny. That's it. That's all we're doing. Taking these. This was like 13 bucks. This was like $6 or something like that at Tractor Supply. You don't need to spend that much. I bought a whole package of these because I plan on having to do this multiple more times, because if we take a look over here, I have a lot of parts that need to be installed, and almost all these parts have grease fittings. This isn't all for this Excursion. Some of it's for the Excursion, some of it's for my Nissan Sentra, some of it's for the Town and Country Chrysler. So if you want to see any of those videos with any of these parts, feel free to stick around, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you know when I post those videos. But yeah, so all of these, every fitting that can take a grease fitting, I try to buy with a grease fitting, which means I'm anticipating issues down the road. And plus, sometimes the ones that are installed on your vehicle just wear out, just the way it is. So, without any more blabber and blabber from me, I'm going to drop my parts and we're going to get started. So, stay tuned. Okay, we're going to start. All I'm going to do is rip this out, get rid of the packaging. We'll rip this open. We'll keep this packaging until we can put it in a little container. So essentially, this is a little deburr or reamer or whatever. This is your threads. So you're going to jam this in there, open up your new thread. Jam's the worst bad word. Then you're going to take one of your new Zerks, and you should be able to thread it right in. Then we can fill it up with grease. Easy peasy. Let's get going. So for me, the issue is this arm right here, which attaches to the pitman arm right here. We're just going to take this and open the hole up a little bit. Now, ideally, you're going to go straight in. That can be a little difficult, especially if your tool does not want to go into the hole. But once you get it started, it should be pretty easy. Just thread it in there. Now there is grease in here, you don't want to force it. We've already gone way farther than we needed. I just hit the little ball on the end. Just going to screw it back out. Boop. Just tighten it down to about tight. Remember, you don't have to freaking torque this down, just like your oil filter that I've told you in the past. Just tight. That's really all you need. And boom, you're good. Fill her up with some grease. Okay, so you're gonna just take your grease gun, slap her on, and fill her up. Yep. Clean up your mess and you're done. I like to clean up the fitting, otherwise dirt and nastiness will stick to it and make a pain in the butt next time. All right, guys, that's it. Super easy fix to a super annoying problem. Not a problem everybody's gonna have, but if you have it and you wanna fix it and you're sitting there and you're trying to just thread the stupid thing in and it won't go in, that's an easy way to fix it. Super simple. If you liked the video, make sure you leave me a thumbs up so I know. Leave a positive comment down below and hit that subscribe button to see more. I showed you that pile of parts we got coming. We got a lot to do. So if you hit that subscribe, hit that bell, you'll know when I do it and you can see how to do it for yourself too. You save a lot of money by doing things yourself. Important to note, I'm not a mechanic. I'm not certified as a mechanic. I never have been, probably never will be. This is just stuff I do by myself because it's a lot more affordable. Nothing against mechanics, nothing against shops. It's just sometimes you got to do things and you can't afford to take it in, so you figure it out yourself. It's pretty much what this channel is about, helping you do the same. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.